Hey guys, it's on-air fashion and lifestyle expert Sydney Sadick, and I'm gonna share with you guys one of my go-to solutions for giving me that daily camera-ready skin, and that's SiO's BrowLift smoothing patches. I love skincare solutions that are really easy to use and of course work, so I'm gonna show you how these patches work and why you should incorporate them into your skincare routines. Two fun facts about these pouches. Number one, they are actually made out of medical grade silicone and they comfortably hug your skin, which is such a plus. And number two, you can actually reuse your patches up to 10 times. So make sure to keep your pouch so you can store your patches in here when you're done. Step number one, clean your face for makeup-free and dry skin. Step number two, open your patches. For first time use, gently remove your plastic film and position the patch in the middle of your brow. So wear it while you're sleeping or for a few hours during the day, and you're gonna get those long-lasting results that you're gonna want to include into your everyday routine. So I personally recommend wearing the patches at night, getting around 6 to 8 hours of sleep. Using your patches will definitely give you those prime results, but if you do find that you're in the morning and you need that instantaneous lift right before your Zoom meetings or whatever else you have going on, you can still apply them for 2 to 3 hours and have a little boost too. The key word for how all of this works, occlusion. The gentle and smooth compression of the patches really makes it easy to prevent muscle movement and flattens the skin so everything stays nice and smooth. Step number three. Last but not least, it's time to take off the patch and restore. Place the patch sticky side down and then put it back inside the pouch and you'll be ready to use it next time. If you find that your patches are a little too big or just aren't fitting right, no worries. You can customize it to fit you perfectly. All you need is a scissor, cut it in the area that you want to change the fit a little bit. I'm gonna cut off this a little bit right here like this, and boom, you have your perfect patch just for you. As you can see, SiO's BrowLift patches are super easy to use. All it takes is 3 steps, and it definitely makes me feel so much better about my skin. I'm Sydney Sadick. Make sure to check out these patches. Have a great day, everybody.